Today in this video I am sharing a face cream that make your skin flawless, remove dark spots and pigmentation and helps in skin brightening. It also helps to remove fine lines and wrinkles from your skin. Let's see how to make this cream. Rice. Take 3 tablespoons white rice. Wash it well and soak it for 8 hours. After 8 hours, grind with using soaked water. Carrot. Take 1 carrot. Peel off, wash and cut into small pieces. Add this carrot to the grinded rice and again grinding it well. Then strain this mixture using a strainer or cloth. Corn flour. Add 1 tablespoon corn flour to this mixture. Potato starch. Add 1 spoon potato starch and mix well. Transfer this mixture to a pan and cook in low flame. Stir continuously. Slowly turns into a creamy texture. Stir well. Let's wait for cool down. Add any oil that suit your skin. 1 teaspoon oil. Mix well and transfer this mixture to a container. How to use. Apply a small amount of this cream on your face, hand and feet and neck. You can use it as a body cream. Massage until it absorbs to the skin. Keep it about 1 hour and wash off. Use this face cream daily for best result.